I decided to dedicate this lesson to the topic of marital status. In Russian it's семейное положение. In this lesson you will learn how to say your marital status in Russian. Быть замужем, to be married. This phrase is used only by a woman. Now let's see how this phrase looks in a sentence.
Number 1. Я, мы, замужем. I'm, we are married. Number 2. Ты замужем? Are you married? It's an informal question. Number 3. Вы замужем? Are you married? It's formal or when you address a group of people. Number 4. Она не замужем. She isn't married. Number 5. Они не замужем. They aren't married. As you see, the word замужем doesn't change its form.
If you need to make a negative sentence, just add не before замужем. For example, number 4. Она не замужем. She's not married. Or number 5. Они не замужем. They are not married. To make a question, just change your intonation. Your intonation should rise. For example, number 6. Вы замужем? Are you married? If you need to say that you are married to somebody, for example, I'm married to a teacher, you can say я замужем за учителем. A noun that goes after the preposition за, учителем, has a particular ending. That we will discuss later in the following lessons. Now let's see how a man can say that he is married. Женатый, married. This adjective changes its endings depending on a number and person of the object it relates to. For example,
there are 2 ways to say that you are married if a man says it. You can use a long adjective that is in the second column, or a short adjective that goes in the third column. Native speakers usually use the short one. Number 1. Я женатый or я женат. I'm married. Number 2. Мы женатые or мы женаты. We're married. Number 3. Ты женатый or ты женат. You're married, informal. Number 4. Вы женатые or вы женаты. You're married, plural. Number 5. Вы женатый or вы женаты. You're married, formal. Number 6. Он женатый or он женат. He's married. Number 7. Они женатые or они женаты. They are married. As you see, the adjective женатый or женат changes its endings depending on the person and number. Женатый or женат are used with singular number. Женатые or женаты are used with plural number. But pay attention to the pronoun вы, formal. It's number 5 in this table. The short adjective goes in the plural form, in spite of the fact that we address to one person. Вы женаты instead of вы женат.
if you need to say that I'm married to somebody, for example, to her friend, you can say я женат на ее подруге. When we talk or ask somebody about their marital status, short adjectives are usually used. For example, я женат, он женат, вы женаты? If a man needs to tell that he's not married and he uses a short form of adjective to tell about his status, then не goes before женат or женаты. For example, я не женат, он не женат, они не женаты. If a long form of this adjective is chosen, then не and this adjective are written together. For example, не женатый or не женатые. Some men prefer another word to tell about their status instead of не женатый. Холостой, unmarried. Холостой and не женатый are synonyms.
Number 1. Я холостой or я холост. I'm unmarried. Number 2. Мы холостые or мы холосты. We are married. Number 3. Ты холостой or ты холост. You are unmarried, informal. Number 4. Вы холостые or вы холосты. You are unmarried, plural. Number 5. Вы холостой or вы холосты. You are unmarried, formal. Number 6. Он холостой or он холост. He is unmarried. Number 7. Они холостые or они холосты. They are unmarried. As you see, холостой and холост are used with singular number, and холостые or холосты are used with plural number. Don't forget that pronoun вы, formal, is an exception. The long adjective is singular and the short one is plural. Вы холостой, but вы холосты. And again, the short adjective is more popular with native speakers than the long one when they say about marital status.
Just for information, in Russia, people wear their wedding rings on the right-hand ring finger. Я вдова. I'm a widow. Она вдова. She is a widow. Они вдовы. They are widows. Я вдовец. I'm a widower. Он вдовец. He is a widower. Они вдовцы. They are widowers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't miss my new videos.